vaping in my room for about half an hour. Windows closed, door closed. Probably can't tell, but my tank is empty now from Rsst. I have a fire alarm right outside my room. I want to see if it goes off. We'll see. Let's see.
What the hell are you doing? You're supposed to be with Lois. Oh, crap. Dennis! No, you know what? I'm not doing
That's the last hit.
Screw this.
Alright, let's see.
You're on your own. God damn it, Brian. What the hell am I going to do now? I haven't screwed up this bad since I bought Joe Piscopo that barbell set. All right, Joe. Now, don't get carried away with this.
Don't worry, Peter. I'll only work out during my downtime.
What the heck? You're gonna start this fire alarm. You know you are.
Let's see if it goes off.
You know why? Are you taping Joseph?
Oh my god.
What the heck? Come on.
McCall, McCall, it's not bad.
I can smell it.
Yeah, it smells like pineapples.
No, it doesn't.
Let's see.
It's gonna start. I'm gonna turn it.
No, not yet, not yet, not yet. Not yet, you'll live. There it is! Alright, now we can turn it off.
It's not gonna turn off.
Oh, shit.
Close your door.
Look at my room.
Joseph, open your windows.
Alright, alright.
OMG. That's not funny. Not laughing.
He used to be so passionate. Suddenly he just looks so very interested.
Do that for us. Are you high?
No, I've been vaping in my room for half an hour.
You deserve a gentleman.
Come on, Susie. Come on, Susie.
Oh shit, it's in the house.
Joseph did it. It's okay. Let's go drink. Come on.
For half an hour in my room with the windows closed. Oh shit. Ah, it won't go away.
Whatever.
Shit. Shut up. Oh my god. Well, at least we know it works.
Thank you. I wasn't sure.
That was a test. That's so loud. There we go. Oh, fuck.